course is structured specifically to address the things that SAICA says are the reasons that students are not making the exam. The course challenges the way that they think and the way that they study because they're very used to reverting back to theory to solve their problems. We provide practical tools to shift this approach. We support them. We're able to tell them practically how to change their study approaches in order to earn the marks, in order to give the examiners what they're looking for. It is the only course that includes written submissions that students need to do and send us that we actually look at and give them feedback on. About a 70% pass rate, but it does require that the students are committed to doing and submitting the task and paying attention to the feedback that we give them. While a lot of other courses give them an enormous amount of questions, no one is actually looking at their work and giving them an indication of where, and more importantly, how to improve their underlying skills: communication, application, problem solving, integration. Each of these skills include a question from a past ITC paper that the student has to complete and send us that we look at and give them feedback on. The 6 skills we cover. Task 1, do you need more revision in this area? This is a marking tool designed to help students quantify whether or not they actually need to go back to revision for a specific topic or whether or not they need to practice questions for it. In most cases, students automatically go back to revision and start the subject or start the topic again because they feel that the reason that they're failing is purely revision. In most cases, this is not true. It's exam technique, it's application, communication, that's their problem, but they keep feeling as though revision is their biggest issue, and so they go back. Task 2 covers the planning of the case study and the planning of the required. Task 3 is very important. It covers communication skills. Students struggle a lot with discussion questions, what should go in there, what shouldn't, how to write them out, the levels of detail, etc. And so we have a specific tool designed to help them with their communication. Task 4 is a tool designed to shift from subject matter expertise to strategic outcomes. How do we get the job done? Task 5, I think, is one of the most valuable skills: how to structure and plan your answer to help them with their systematic thinking and their ability to break down problems to deal with them comprehensively. Task 6, the last task, we've created a marking tool for them that allows them to identify whether or not communication or application is a problem and how to improve that. Instead of needing a lecturer to go through all their work to identify whether their communication is okay, whether the application is okay, they can start evaluating this and, more importantly, practically improving their ability to communicate and apply their knowledge. After students have completed the 6 tasks, they have a sim exam, which is a full past ITC paper that they do and submit to us for comprehensive feedback. The course also contains revision content for the entire CTA syllabus. While our course focuses on practical skills, we do have subject matter content for them to refer to in areas where they need revision and need to improve their understanding and their knowledge. There are additional tasks designed to reinforce these skills that they can practice and use that are not submitted to us. The course should take approximately 4 weeks for them to work through if they're doing these questions. The questions in the submissions are limited to 30 or 40 marks, thus they do not take entire days to do. This course is also ideal for first-time ITC candidates because it picks up where they've just completed their CTA and takes them straight to the skills of doing questions and converting their ability to pass CTA to their ability to pass ITC. I believe that the tools that I've designed and the support that we provide will help students overcome the biggest challenges that they have in passing their ITC exam.